Alright guys, in today's video, I'm going to be teaching David how to drive a manual transmission.
Hold up, little homie, please don't get up on me, don't mess up the aura, I ain't anybody. Do my little dance while I think I got goodness, they thought I was tripping up, popping the molly. You out of copy and swag, wrapped up in corny, little homie, you look like some molly. When y'all going outside, I get up, go get it, I ain't finna wait for nobody. Pushing myself to the limit, if I never give up, I'ma win. Pushing myself to the limit, if I never give up, I'ma win. Pushing myself to the limit, if I never give up,
Yo, I'ma be blind as the way that it's looking. I'm trying, but I don't see no competition. I got to step to my future, man. How do I know it? It's prophecy, no premonition.
Well,
water coming out the exhaust.
Oh! Alright guys, welcome to SummerNats USA at the Freedom Factory, the first ever SummerNats burnout and drag racing contest in the United States, and we are so pumped. David here, if you guys didn't know, actually owns the drivetrain in Hellcat.
I own what?
You own the drivetrain, right?
I guess.
Well, so long story short, he actually bought the Hellcat, the high mileage Challenger Hellcat that we swapped over into the Dodge Charger Pursuit that I bought. But what he doesn't know is this engine's knocking.
Oh yeah, run back. Keep doing laps. Okay.
So he's gonna be the first one to drive it today, and if it blows up, it's on you, I guess.
It wasn't knocking before. When I invested, it wasn't knocking.
Well, we threw a bottle of Lucas in it. We're gonna take it down Skid Row, do a test burnout so that David can get some time behind the wheel, and then we're gonna, if it survives, we're gonna send it out on the pad. So let's go over to Skid Row, see what this thing can do.
How do I start the engine on this thing?
I'll just walk you through it. David and I had Luke build some expansion tanks for the intercooler as well as the radiator here. And this is one of the only in the world manual Dodge Chargers. We got 3 pedals on the floor. We've even got a hydro handbrake on this thing. It's got TBM brakes. It's got pretty much every upgrade you could put on a Hellcat, but it looks like a cop car. And it's so fun to show it off and send down the burnout pad. We're gonna go lay it down and hopefully we don't chug your rod. Because that's your motor.
We'll find out.
Wheel start in third, just rev it up, dump the clutch. I already disconnected your rear brakes.
Too or not?
Huh?
You gonna be inside?
Yeah.
Alright.
Just rev it up higher. Then you're gonna drop that clutch and get back on the brake with your left foot and kind of hold us there for a second. Just let the car drive through. Alright, just hold it here for a minute. Go. Come on, stop. Put it in second gear. Hold that gas in. Hold it. First gear. You gotta stay on that brake. You know what I mean? And just hold us there in first gear.
Oh, no, where do we make it right? Let's go.
Yeah, go right. Yeah. Oh yeah, run back. Just keep doing laps.
Okay.
Going for round 3.
Hopefully we'll get some smoke this time.
I got your back brake turned off.
Okay.
So when you get to the line, just pump that brake up a little bit. You're gonna floor it. You know, just stay there for a second.
Yeah. Give it a try, man.
And then just slowly let out the brake and let the car crawl forward. You know, you're putting on a show. You know, you're not trying to go fast.
Well, I was trying to keep the tires spinning.
I wouldn't even try and grab second yet. Everyone get fired up. This is David's first burnout he's ever done. We're sending the rods to the gods. Do it again, do it again, do it again. again. Motor. Motor. Oh, she's done. She's done. The rods to the gods. That might be it, boys. Is there oil on the ground?
Yeah, she's got metals.
Hey, you're not supposed to park there.
Dude.
Power, and they need to make a call to the pit.
Yeah, it's just water.
Hold on, I'm gonna try and start it.
I got some Lucas in the car. It'll be all right. It's
Slick fit. Move it.
Give it a try.
I'm going to have 27 pounds of oil pressure, brother.
Anybody got a ratchet?
She's locked up. She's locked up. Well, that's it for Copycat of SummerNats.
Let's go, Parker.
It's a walk of shame. Walk of shame.
This is the second car we pushed off.
Parker, we sent the rods to the dog.
He free-rode me! Free-rode me!
Yeah, it only took David 3 tries. 3 tries to do a burnout. He said it got his heart.
Did I do good?
I've seen better.
Am I doing good now? Parker's like, I'm like, Parker, I need to go practice. He's like, there's no time for practice, man. This thing, you got maybe 1 lap, maybe 2 laps, man. This is all we lost, so we're gonna put this back together. Should be good to go.
Oh, the AC pump locked it up. Makes sense.
That's all we found, but.
All right, guys, in today's video, I'm gonna be teaching David how to drive a manual transmission.
Oh, man.
I think there was fluid coming out of the exhaust though.
Oh, it's locked up.
This probably came out of the exhaust.
Oh, that's it was. Oh, you know what? People said that they got hit with shrapnel, so it had to have come out the exhaust.
There's oil on this end.
There's a bunch of water on that end. I think this thing, I think it splits it. Water goes one way, oil goes the other way.
Water and
This is
oil?
for sure where it came out of.
Right at the crowd?
Yep.
Oh, shoot. Oh, brother. Oh, that doesn't look good. Dude, look at all the tread still left on your tires.
Sorry, dude. I'm sorry, man.
Look, is that the piston ring groove?
Almost looks like it.
Yeah, look, it's part of the piston ring groove right here. Well, you did all right for your first time out there. But luckily, we built this car that we can swap a new engine into it pretty efficiently. We've actually already got another engine lined up for it. So, guys, SummerNats is going on all weekend. There's gonna be a ton of epic cars here doing hitting Skid Row, hitting Burnout Pad. We gave it all to Copycat. This drivetrain has been sending us around for like 5 years now and never had an issue until now, so it owes me absolutely nothing. Real quick before we get back to the video, this supersonic metallic blue ZR1 Chevrolet 2500 HD, a trailer, and $50,000 cash is being given away right now. All you gotta do is pick up some RPM merch. We've got the straw hats, the tool flag on the bottom. I think that's pretty sick. Mowing season's coming up. You know you're gonna want a straw hat when you're outside working on your yard. We also got RPM flag hats finally back in stock. We got this sick forest green with the tan on the back. Unlike the Richardson 112s, these Richardson 110s are flexible and adjustable. It's a win-win. They're way more comfortable. They come in this color as well as the camo. You know we got to do the camo. As a fellow hunter out there, I know you guys want these for hunting season. Whether you're in the trees or you're in the sticks or you're hiding in some corn, you're gonna want a camo hat. And we've also got the desert tan as well as black. We got tons of stickers. We've got keychains. We've got toothbrushes. I use this for the 12 valve every day. Check that thing out. It's got the RPM flag on one side, Rebuilt America on the other. Got these shirts, RPM on the front, rebuilt in America with the tool flag on the back. All this merch, guys, gets you entered to win. Not only are you entered in to win the Corvette, the truck, the trailer, and the cash, but every single day, one of these precision turbos is being given away to anybody that orders anything off the website. I've got tons of merch up. We'll put a link up in the description. So make sure you pick up some RPM merch. Let's get back to the video.
I must be blind cause the way that it's looking, I'm trying, but I don't see no competition. I got success in my future, man, how do I know it? This prophecy, no premonition. I'm not afraid of your partners, they talk a big game, but they really just softer than linen. They ain't wanna give me no A for the style that I made.
Sheesh. You know, this would have made things a lot more simple if we would have left the trans connected. I don't know why we did that, but whatever. Here we are. Look at that.
Well,
Water coming out the exhaust. I think we did this the most complicated way possible. Oh yeah, that ate a valve. See that? Let's pull the head off of it and look.
it snapped the guide off the head, it looks like.
Yeah, maybe the block is all right. What's the carnage? Okay. Yeah, right here. What is this, an intake? Or exhaust? No, that's an exhaust valve.
It's this valve right here.
Is it?
You see how it's standing up?
Mm-hmm.
Zero lash on it.
Yep.
If we pulled these rockers,
Yeah.
this should just, that spring should just shoot off.
All right,
I
let's
think.
do it. Oh, yeah. See that pressure?
Yeah, maybe
Stand back.
watch out, Tifu.
Oh, we're good. Not bad, not bad. Nice.
Alright.
Good. Oh!
Ooh.
Damn! Yeah, that block is cracked. Look at that. The whole sleeve is busted out of there. See that?
Ew.
Not only did it drop a valve, but it looks like it broke the block as well. See that? Right here.
Yeah.
It's a valve.
Oh, that's the, oh my.
Valve got underneath the piston.
You're really getting after it out there then.
How's everything else look though? These all look fine. This one 8 something.
How many miles are on this? Like quote unquote?
I think 180,000.
I thought you said it's a built motor.
With the fresh build, probably like 2,000 or 3,000. But this car lives on the limiter.
Yeah,
so.
yeah. Yeah, the bores look good.
Yeah, engine blocks.
This
definitely
one's
cracked.
a little rusty. She needs a quick little hone job, but.
No, this block's cooked.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Well, boys, it's like we're looking for a new Hellcat engine. But we got something lined up. What do you think? My buddy's got a 6.4 block, iron block out of like a 2500 HD. Or not HD, but a Ram 2500 6.4.
They bolt, is it the same mount?
Just need Hellcat heads on that block. And it'll all nut and bolt.
Really, you just need one head.
I think we bulletproof it. I think I have order all the parts. We'll get like a forged crank and everything.
Just like full built motor?
Fully built motor. What do you think?
Send it.
I'm not paying, so I'm
It's
in.
just money.
Can't take it to the grave.
Can't take it to the grave, bro. I taught you that first day on the job.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. Got the angle kit on the Charger, bro.
Yes, sir.
Got some custom stuff, or?
Nah, so AED Performance, they're
Yeah?
big with the Mopar stuff. I think your brothers ran it on
Yeah,
a couple
yeah,
of
yeah.
his builds. But yeah, I was on them for like 3 months to build an angle kit because they got a bunch of CNCs and shit at their shop.
Okay.
And then yeah, they
I think
do
we
it
need
in
to do
production.
this for my Hellcat.
Yeah, that'd be sick.
What you got on the hood of this thing?
Just the regular 6.2, but we just do a beefy cam and big push rods.
Oh, dang, Hellcat.
Yes,
Hell
sir.
yeah, let's go. Dude, I just
Yeah.
locked mine up.
Oh no shit! I seen you talking about you're gonna send the rods to the rod guys.
Well, we sent the rods to the guys, baby.
Yeah?
Yeah, we had pistons coming out the exhaust.
Out the exhaust.
Yes.
Damn. Yeah, then we got VC coilovers on it. It's got the TR6060 6-speed,
Sick.
triple disc
Can you
clutch.
show us the angle on this thing? Damn, dude! Look at the smile on his face. He's like, I want that, I want that.
Dude.
Got that angle on the dangle.
Yeah, she's pretty sick. We got like 70 degrees of angle on it.
Hey, you know what? This guy's also got a manual swap charger just like ours.
Yes,
so, and
sir.
Hellcat. So we're like,
Make it a little.
I think we're the only two in the world, probably. Right?
Nah, I think there's like 5 others out there.
Nah, it's just you and I, bro.
It's just us.
Well, regardless, yo, look at the angle. See the angle kit on that thing?
They said they don't make them.
No, they do now.
Oh.
Hey, you see this? He's got a manual on this thing too.
I saw that.
Yeah.
He's a copycat, man.
Yeah, he had it first, actually. That's nasty, isn't it?
Yeah. Do you drift it?
Yep. Yep. It's after the angle kit, it's a lot better. It's cool. I need to. My next thing is roll cage, 4 buckets, and then put a hydro in it.
I wonder if he's as good as I am with the burnout.
We'll see.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it
Did
in.
you see the hydro in mine?
No, I haven't.
Yeah.
Do you have it inline setup? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking about doing too.
And then I put a locket, like a valve behind it, so I can shut off the rear brakes or burnouts.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
All right.
And then it also doubles as a parking brake, because you can pump it up, lock
shit.
it, and then now your parking brake's on.
I'm gonna have to pick your brain on that.
Well, good luck out there, bro. Finally,
man.
we meet in person. The
Nice to
wrap
meet you,
looks
bro.
sick. Car looks amazing.
Thank you, man.
All right. What was your tire pressure set at? Because that was the loudest explosion I've heard all day.
75.
75. Yeah. That sounds about right. Well, she was chooching out there. Were you driving?
Yeah.
You did a great job,
Thanks.
man. That was awesome. Is it all right?
Now we need a radiator and a cap and another hose.
You're better off than I am, I'll tell you that.
We'll have her going tomorrow.
Oh, hell yeah. Well, can't wait to see her rip. It's a really cool build. What is it? That's a big old turbo.
Yeah, it's a S475.
Compound turbo, so.
Yep.
Heck yeah.
I think that's a 366 on that side.
Wow.
And it's got one of those big ported heads on it. So it's got one of them badass heads on it. And
Yeah.
I mean, it's probably making almost 900 horsepower.
Oh my god.
We did 1289 on cord, like the tires had cords hanging out of them.
Wow.
Stock everything, yeah.
What the hell?
It's got valve springs in it, and like the head came with some good valves in it. The ejection pump's got, I think it's got 4Ks in it with some delivery valves. Ain't nothing crazy.
Yeah, I must be blind cause the way that it's looking, I'm trying, but I don't see no competition. I got success in my future, man, how do I know it? This prophecy, no premonition.